In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter bills by date in Xero. We're going to keep this simple and focused so you can quickly find exactly the bills you need. Start by logging in to your Xero account. Make sure you're using a secure connection and, if your organization requires it, complete any two-factor authentication prompts. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard. From here, head to the Purchases area. You'll see it in the main navigation. Click Purchases, then select Bills. This is where Xero lists all supplier bills, drafts, awaiting approval, awaiting payment, and any other statuses your organization uses. So it's the perfect place to narrow things down by date. At the top of the Bills page, locate the filters. We're going to set a start date and an end date to define the period you want to look at. Click into the Start Date field and choose the beginning of your range using the date picker. Then set the end date the same way. These dates determine the window Xero will use when filtering, and both ends of the range are typically included. If you're investigating a month, for example, be sure the start date is the first day and the end date is the last day of that month. Next, choose the date type from the dropdown. This tells Xero which date on the bill to compare against your range. Common options include the bill date, the due date, or the date the bill was paid. Pick the one that matches your purpose. If you're reconciling cash movement, use paid date. If you're reviewing what was issued in a period, use bill date. And if you're tracking upcoming obligations, use due date. With your start date, end date, and date type set, click Filter. Xero will refresh the list to show only the bills that fit your criteria. Take a moment to review the results. Scan the suppliers, bill numbers, dates, statuses, and amounts to confirm the list reflects the period and date type you intended. If something looks off, it's usually a sign that the date type doesn't match what you expected, or the range needs adjusting. If you need more detail on any item, open a bill by clicking its line in the list. This will bring up the full bill view, where you can review line items, tax, totals, attachments, and history for clarity and context. When you're finished, you can return to the filtered list to continue your review. And that's it. Log in. Go to Purchases, Open Bills, set your date range, choose the right date type, apply the filter, review the results, and open any bill for deeper insight.